Tel migao mar somo koro wacho ni somo mar kwano biro bedo somo mochuno ne jopuonjre duto mag sekondar mamalo mong'ere kaka senior school. Lokruok ma kama timore tok ywak mar jokanya sekta mar somo ni paro mar golo kwan ne jopuonjre moko nyalo miyo somo ok bed mongirore. Koloso jatend migao mar somo Julius Ogambo wacho ni jokanyo nodok ne ber mar kwano e ngima jopuonjre.
Came with another working party to come up with CBE. CBE is about competence. It's about talent. It's about the skills. It's about innovation. And countries all over the world are now going the competency way because it gives every learner an opportunity to do what they know best.
Some form of mathematics be made compulsory for the two pathways that are not the STEM pathway, so that we have the STEM pathway having pure maths and the other two pathways having a form of math, so that we have maths in all the three pathways in senior school. So we love that conversation. And I think it is an important aspect that we have listened to the views of the Kenyans, and it is an important input that has come from the stakeholders so that we can show that we are not just holding these meetings for the sake of holding meetings. We are holding them so that we can hear from you. We can listen to you, because we do not have all the answers. Your input is important, and the more we get from you, the more enriching our curriculum and our education is going to be.